My video guide is about getting rid of the fake browser update alerts that come from the site Loadnewestextremelytheproduct.vip. If you see these strange pop-ups on your computer screen, then obviously there is a problem that you might expect to happen if you start interacting with these pop-ups. The point is that this fake alert by the site Loadnewestextremelytheproduct.vip tries to make you download and install certain unwanted browser extension. And this extension may change a lot of crucial browser settings, such as the default homepage, default search engine, and some other values too. So be very careful. Do not ever interact with these fake browser update alerts because they are extremely dangerous. They may hijack your browser and cause a lot of troubles for your entire workstation. If you have mistakenly installed any third-party extensions into your Google Chrome browser, you will notice that a lot of such changes took place, and when you start submitting some search queries, you may get the results by some other search engines not selected by you. So you need to disregard all these deceptive pop-ups by the site Loadnewestextremelytheproduct.vip. And if any third-party extensions were installed, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, disable and remove any third-party extensions that were mistakenly installed into your browser. I also recommend you to research your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system to detect and eliminate other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.